We are doing deviled eggs. So I'm just gonna pop the egg yolks into a bowl. Generally like to do about 3 hard-boiled eggs. Gives me half a dozen deviled eggs. I love using this egg slicer because it makes the perfect egg halves. I'm gonna take about a heaping teaspoon of mayonnaise, some Sriracha sauce, any sort of hot sauce that you have on hand. Take a large fork and just crush up the deviled eggs with the mayonnaise, a little bit of toasted sesame oil, just for the extra warmth. I love the nuttiness of it. I'm gonna cut this bread into 6 pieces, and I like to just put them underneath my egg whites. This also keeps the egg whites from rolling around. Take some of that deviled egg mixture and just pop them into the egg whites. Last one. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of bacon. I always have cooked bacon on hand. You don't need a whole lot of bacon to make something just a little bit more delicious. I love using freeze-dried chives. They never go bad. Some smoked paprika, just for the extra smokiness. A little extra toasted sesame oil. And there you have it. I call this my deviled eggs with bacon and raisin bread. What's up everyone, Ronnie Woo here, and I know you guys normally see me in the kitchen cooking, but what you might not know about me is I also like staying fit and healthy, and when I can't get to the gym, I like to do a workout in my own backyard. The first thing we're gonna do is get the blood flowing through our body, and I like to do this with just our basic push-ups, and I wanna do this for 1 minute. The next exercise we're gonna do is something called a burpee. It's basically a combination of a push-up and a jump, and we're gonna do this for 1 minute. Jump as high as you can. Next, we're gonna transition into alternating leg lunges. Make sure you're alternating elbows to knees. Next, we're gonna transition into squat. Stick that booty out, keep your back as straight as possible. Keep your knees behind your toes. My heart rate is definitely going, okay? So we're gonna use our heels to plant that resistance band into the ground. Then we'll just do some bicep curls. I'm gonna static hold one side and curl the other side. We're gonna squeeze at the top and do 6 of these. Bring it back to static hold and switch arms. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. We're gonna do this for 1 minute. We're just gonna get our elbows in place, booty out, back straight, and tricep extensions for 1 minute. We really wanna feel the burn. We're gonna switch into the back row. Keep your shoulders down. Really contract that back when you're up here. 1 minute. Next, we're gonna work on our abs. Make sure your lower back is always touching the ground. Look up to the sky. Use your abs, not your neck. 1 minute. We're gonna flip over, do some planks on our forearms. Keep that body straight, core tight. Then we're just gonna slowly reach forward. 1 minute. All right, cutie. Keep going if you get distractions. And lastly, to finish off, a downward dog push-up. Stretches you out real well. Down and up.